Hey collectors, here is a look at Tila from Masters of the Universe Cartoon Collection line by Mattel. At the back of the card, there is an illustration of Tila and He-Man plus the training robot, the accessory that she comes in, and the other characters in this wave. Out of the card, Tila comes with a mini comic book titled Time's End, and this is what the figure looks like on the clamshell. She comes with a sword and a shield plus the training robot at the back. And I must say, the face sculpt or the paint job they did was very good in this figure. Before you can get the figure out, there are the plastic straps around her wrist and on her ankles, and I suggest you cutting it off from behind to avoid damaging the figure. And out of the clamshell, here is Tila, and she stands around 5.5 inches tall and also sports the basic articulation like all other characters in the cartoon collection line by Mattel. And here is a look at the backside of the figure. It is very simple, and also Tila is the first female figure released under the cartoon collection line with this new body. After decades, Mattel got, for me, the best portrait of Tila. And once you get the center of balance for this figure, you can put her in some simple action poses like all the other characters in this line. She can also hold the included shield and sword with both of her hands. Unfortunately, there is also a drawback with this female figure under the cartoon collection line. We all know that Mattel has this strange fetish for midgets that are muscular and wears thongs and walks around in a squatting position. And for their female figure, this time around in the cartoon collection line, they have a thing for small women that are petite. And now we have a mixed bag for the 1:12 scale and something smaller than that for their female figures. Now I know that this body will be used over and over again for other characters, and probably at this point it's kind of too late to redo the body. Here is Tila besides Evelyn, and like what I said, this body will be used over and over again for other female characters in the cartoon collection line. Obviously, my complaint for this figure is that she is too small compared to the male characters in the cartoon collection line. And for size comparison, here she is with Han Solo from Star Wars Black Series The Empire Strikes Back, and Steve Rogers from Endgame, both figures by Hasbro. With He-Man and Skeletor, Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. With Vash the Stampede from the Trigun anime series by Jazzwares, and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit. And finally with Skeletor and Raman from Masters of the Universe Cartoon Collection by Mattel. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.